Today's client will be thermal styled with luscious curls for fullness and body. Basics carbon system consists of the carbon tea tree shampoo, tea tree conditioner, and the carbon tea tree pomade. Step 1. Shampoo with Basics carbon tea tree shampoo. Basics carbon tea tree shampoo is designed to eliminate toxic buildup on the hair and scalp. Carbon tea tree shampoo is formulated with activated charcoal and tea tree oil. This shampoo eliminates dry, itchy, and irritated scalp conditions, also decreasing inflammation. Basics carbon tea tree shampoo creates a soothing, spa-like experience of natural and essential oils that deliver healing and nourishing properties. Apply Basics tea tree conditioner. Massage Basics tea tree conditioner through the hair to help stimulate the scalp and to detangle. Basics tea tree conditioner delivers extreme moisture and detangles the tightest of coils. Basics tea tree conditioner contains essential oils known for their antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. Next, rinse out the conditioner and towel dry. For deeper conditioning, apply a plastic cap for 10 to 20 minutes under a hooded dryer or steamer. Follow up with Basics leave-in conditioner. Basics leave-in conditioner is your first step to styling. Mist leave-in conditioner throughout the hair lightly. Basics leave-in conditioner hydrates and detangles, all while protecting the hair. Mist boost conditioning treatment sparingly throughout the hair, making sure not to oversaturate. Boost conditioning treatment is a leave-in protein treatment infused with the natural grain called quinoa. Quinoa has the highest level of amino acids out of all natural grains. Boost helps to stop breakage, improve elasticity, eliminate frizz, revitalizes color, and improves the overall integrity of the hair shaft. Because Boost conditioning treatment is a highly concentrated protein, it should only be used once or twice a month. Next, our client is blow-dried and thermal styled. Blow-dry the hair completely to prepare for styling. For irritated and inflamed scalp conditions like dandruff or eczema, apply a small amount of Basics carbon tea tree pomade directly to the irritated areas of the scalp. The carbon tea tree pomade is only used to spot treat specific areas of the scalp. Be careful not to use as a total hair dressing. The carbon tea tree pomade is infused with a combination of activated charcoal plus essential and botanical oils for healing and soothing common scalp issues. Next, using a 100% ceramic flat iron at 430 degrees, smooth and silk out the hair shaft while curling the hair into full-bodied curls. Repeat this step throughout the entire head. Finish with Basics Shine Serum. The Shine Serum enhances the hair's natural shine while leaving the hair silky and manageable, ideal for finishing any style without a heavy buildup.